Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see how to make fruit custard. It's very simple and healthy recipe. Let's start the recipe. Now I have taken 3/4 liter of milk. Heat the milk until it boils. Now I am going to make custard powder for fruit custard. Add 5 teaspoons of sugar into mixie jar, 3 teaspoons of milk powder, 3 teaspoons of corn flour, one pinch food color, yellow food color, add 1 pinch of vanilla essence. Grind it well. Now milk is boiled. Keep stirring. Add 4 teaspoons of custard powder, mix it well. Add 3 teaspoons of sugar, mix it well. After 10 minutes, the milk consistency should be like this. I am changing the milk into another bowl. Cool it for 5 more minutes. Now I am adding chopped apple, add pomegranate, add chopped grapes, add chopped bananas, chopped pineapple. I am adding cashew nut, badam and pista. Mix it well. Keep it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Now the tastiest fruit custard is ready. If you like this recipe, please subscribe our channel and click the bell button. Thank you.